So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and just put it on here. And I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm just gonna trace my cup like that. And then I'm gonna make sure my brush is nice and clean. I'm gonna dip and flip in the white and I'm gonna paint this white. And I don't need to be super careful because I'm just gonna paint over it anyway. All right. Then I'm gonna put just a little bit of black in here. And I'm gonna go around my circle. And basically I'm doing a value scale in my sky, the grayscale. Okay, so now I'm gonna put just a little more black. Okay, and I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna use my water to extend it. See how it was dry and now it's not dry, it's nice and fluid. I'm gonna move it in a little bit. And if your original circle, because this is giving me the moon, gets a little smaller, that's okay. All right, so now I'm gonna add more black, but I'm still not gonna let it get super dark. Just like that. Go around it, add some water. So now I've got this part done and I'm gonna use my value scale. Let's look at our value scale again. So right now I've used these colors and now I wanna kind of move into those colors. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a little gray on my brush, mix it over here, and you can see it makes that dark medium gray. And then I have a little brush as well. And so what I'm gonna do is use line weight. Okay, so I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna drag my brush all the way up like that. Now I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna drag my brush all the way up, even through the white. Okay, then I'm gonna put some lines coming out. Oh my gosh, I overlapped that. It's okay though to do that. Lines coming out, lines coming out, right through the white. Then I'm gonna drag this, drag. Okay, so what I mean is, instead of going like this and pushing hard, I'm dragging lightly to get a light line. Okay, so I'm just gonna paint some leaves here, just like this. Now these are looking a little darker. So I think I'm gonna put a little more on my brush and just kind of come in here with a little darkness. Give it a little dark tone. so it kind of matches more. Okay, and if you want to practice this on your paper, go ahead and practice it. We're just going to put tons of leaves in here. And some of the leaves can be lighter, some can be darker. And we're overlapping that moon. All it done with my black and white. I got a toothbrush out. These are just for painting. So I'm gonna pick it up in the white. Just kind of load my bristles up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my finger on the bottom like this, and I'm gonna go like this, like I'm saying, come here, like that. And then I'm just gonna do a little spray. That can be like stars or whatever. Okay.